Hello, everybody. This is PY once again. Thank you very much. And I have some news I would want to share with you. So, I am developing, or I have developed a website, Iampy.pro. That is the website link, Iampy.pro. So, I would need your feedback on it. And if you can be kind enough to share some testimonies for me to be able to share it on the website. So this is how the website looks as it is now. Very minimal, straight to the point. Okay. And then when you click on register now, if you have somebody who wants to register, you can click on that. And then this is what happens, right? They can do in person or offline at wager, and that will be the price. And they can do online. You can see the price has been increased. And then also one-on-one with me. All right. So all they have to do is just click on whichever one that they think they would want to do. For example, if they want an online one, they will click here. And it's very simple. They just complete the details and then it is gone. So let's say you say your name is Nicholas Mensah, your country is Ghana. All right, and then your Momo number is this, your alternative number, call number if you have a different number from that one. And the package normal price is here, 349, for example. This is going to change. And then you say, I'm not a robot. And then you can say pay now. Very, very simple. It goes on here. It says, okay. And when that is done, all right, it brings you to where you have to make your payment, Momo, card, wallet, or whichever way is convenient for you. You select it, MTN, your number here, and then you do make payment. For example, if I say 055 816 8135, okay, I can say pay now. All right, and then I'll follow the prompt on. So I just need your feedback on this, and then let me make it better for you and your friends and your family next year. Next year is going to be a blast. I have a lot of things coming up for you. Thank you very much. Have a very wonderful day. Bye bye.